cruisers, welcome to my channel, Cruising into Pixie Dust. My name is Chrissy and I wanted to just do a quick video and introduce myself and tell you about why I'm starting this journey. And also I wanted to tell you about my Ultimate Caribbean Cruise packing list, which is linked down in the description and free for you to download. One of the things that I love about cruising is the ability to visit multiple ports all in one vacation. I took my first cruise in October of 2023 and I have a back-to-back booked in April. I actually have 8 more cruises booked for the next 2 years, and I'm sure I'll be adding more to that list. But that is one of the biggest things that I love about cruising. I also love going to the beach, so I always knew that I would love cruising, and I loved the warm destinations. But an Alaska cruise is definitely on my bucket list. So, about why I'm starting this journey, I also want to help people, fellow cruisers and future cruisers, first time cruisers, with cruise tips, tricks. I also want to vlog my cruise adventures along the way. You'll find cruise news, everything cruising you will find here on this channel as I start this journey. My ultimate cruise packing list was started because I wanted to help ease the stress of packing for future cruisers and fellow cruisers, or anybody looking to take their cruise. They can print this list off and know that it has everything you will possibly need and more to help make your cruise transition. It also has some extra space so you can add stuff as needed. It's unique to your trip. But if you like the sparkle of pixie dust, please like and subscribe, and I look forward to talking to you in the next video.